Is now home. The kids are playing in the yard. Than the grass, so you get stuck. Anyways, big sister will help him. But anyways, with the van, so now what I have to do, let's see how they can see it here, but basically the section was replaced from here, like the top section, not all the way to the engine bay. But this section, this is where the heater mounts. This was not replaced, it was mostly straightened out. The top section was replaced, and then the whole section where the fender mounts, it was replaced there as well. I think he figured it out. He put the ATV on the path by himself, came over around, and here we go. Wait, Matthew, wait, don't fall. Don't fall, careful, careful. Vinette, is this a good idea to leave it over here? You gotta put it back in the box. Matthew, wait. Wait. Okay, Matthew, ready? Alright, and there he goes. So now what I have to do is pretty much remove everything that was installed temporarily and prep all the weld spots and paint them, and then call the windshield guys and they'll come in and install the windshield, and then I can start reinstalling back everything on there so it will be permanent. But everything is lined up good, there's no issues that I can tell at the moment. So all the gaps are good, everything's good, everything's looking straight. And then looking in here, I wanted to prevent it from rusting the best I could, so just put some tape on it. So yeah, once I do the prep and paint, the windshield guys will come out, install the windshield. I still have to replace this bar because it's not all the way to the hole, or maybe straighten it out. I can probably pull this out a little bit so it reaches the hole right here, so I can install it back in, or just replace it with the one from the other van right there. We'll see when I get to this, because it's pretty easy to straighten this out. It's not that hard of a metal. I can pull that out, no problem. The main thing is that the gap from here to the other side right there is the same. And also from this hole right here on the bottom, we measured from here to the other side. And on the bottom right here, we measured from here to the other side as well. So as far as alignment goes, we did alignment. Here's a sheet. The alignment guy said that it's pretty much perfect. He made only slight adjustments. We had the accident was on the right side, so here you can tell what the actual was and what before was. So it's pretty much almost perfect. The frame guy did a really good job at pulling everything out to where it should be. And comparing this to the left side. So yeah, everything's looking good so far. Hi. Hello. Matthew. I'm making a video. We have a little birdie here. Wow. Good job. One. Are you ready, Matthew? Okay, hold on. And go. Whoa! So fast! So yeah, I think it's gonna rain next couple of days, so I'll keep the plastic on the windshield. Now that'll be it for this video. Stay tuned for another update. I might have 1 or 2 more videos for this van, and then it'll be a complete project. I don't want to stretch this out too long because I have plenty of other things. Hint, hint. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you've got any questions, let me know, and we'll see you on the next video.